month to the day after President Trump nominated Amy Coney Barrett, Justice Clarence Thomas swore her in at a White House ceremony. Still, her opponents fought to the very end, insisting her confirmation process was rushed and wrong.
This Republican majority is ramming this nomination through only because they can.
Barrett backers maintain the process followed the Constitution, and the president spoke of Barrett's sacred place in history.
Justice Barrett, as you take your oath tonight, the legacy of our ancestors falls to you. The American people put their trust in you and their faith in you as you take up the task of defending our laws, our Constitution, and this country that we all love.
I love the Constitution and the democratic republic that it establishes, and I will devote myself to preserving it.
After this party line confirmation vote, all eyes will be on the election to see if Democrats take back the Senate and then follow through on threats of consequences like expanding the court with enough liberal justices to undo this conservative majority. Joe Biden told 60 Minutes one of his first acts as president would be appointing a bipartisan commission on the subject.
I will ask them to, over 180 days, come back to me with recommendations as to how to reform the court system, because it's getting out of whack.
The Democrats will, if they take the White House, the House, and the Senate, change the rules dramatically and change the country dramatically by expanding the size of the Supreme Court, going from 9 to 11 or 13. And that's just one of the list of horribles that I think they would put into place.
Though Barrett didn't face a full-on assault like Brett Kavanaugh, Republican James Lankford blasted the tactics used against his mother of 2 adopted black children.
Even this candidate is being challenged as a racist, quiet segregationist. It is the firebomb thrown into the middle of a dialogue.
He said those Democrats probably don't actually believe Barrett is a racist.
I have every confidence that the members on the other side would say no, but it plays well to the base.
Meanwhile, Senator Josh Hawley celebrated Barrett's confirmation.
Tonight, we will set a precedent that people of faith, people of the convictions that Judge Barrett has and shares, are welcome in this country in every office. They are welcome on the highest court in the land.
Justice Barrett's first case will likely be about Catholic social services getting kicked out of the foster care business with the city of Philadelphia because it refused to back away from the biblical teaching of one-man, one-woman marriage. The case comes before the court November 4th, a day after the election. Paul Strand, CBN News, Washington.